Machine learning explained in 10 minutes. How AI really learns. Beginner-friendly opening. Hook, what if I told you that your phone already knows what you're going to type next? That Netflix predicts the exact show you'll binge tonight, and that AI can learn without being programmed line by line? This isn't science fiction. This is machine learning. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to explain how machines actually learn in the simplest way you've ever heard. Section 1. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. Traditional programming works like this. You give the computer rules, it produces answers. Machine learning works differently. You give the computer data, it finds patterns, it predicts answers. Think of it like teaching a child. You don't explain every rule about cats and dogs. You show thousands of pictures, and eventually, the child learns to tell the difference. That's exactly what machine learning does. Section 2. The three main types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning you need to understand. Point 1. Supervised learning. This is the most common type. The machine learns from labeled data. Example, you show it emails marked as spam. Not spam. Over time, the model learns patterns and starts to classify new emails correctly. Popular applications: email spam filters, face recognition, credit scoring, and banks too. Unsupervised learning. Here, the machine is given data without labels. The IT has no idea what the data means. It just finds hidden patterns. Example, giving a machine thousands of shopping transactions and asking, group customers who behave similarly. This is used in customer segmentation in marketing, anomaly and fraud detection, recommendation engines. 3. Reinforcement learning. This one is fascinating. The machine learns by trial and error. Just like a video game, IT gets rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones. Over time, it learns the best strategy to win. This is used in self-driving cars, game-playing AI like AlphaGo, robotics. Section 3. How machines actually learn. Here's how the learning process works behind the scenes. Step 1. The machine takes data, numbers, images, text, sound. Step 2. It makes a prediction. Step 3. It checks how wrong it was. Step 4. It adjusts itself using something called an algorithm. Step 5. It repeats this process thousands or millions of times. Each time, it gets slightly better. This is why AI models need massive amounts of data and powerful computers. They're not magically intelligent. They are trained through repetition and optimization. Section 4. Real-life examples that blow your mind. Let's look at where machine learning is already controlling your life. Your smartphone face unlock Spotify and YouTube recommendations, fraud detection in your bank, Amazon product suggestions, self-driving car technologies, chatbots, and virtual assistants. You interact with machine learning dozens of times per day without even noticing, and this is only the beginning. Section 5. Why machine learning is the future. Machine learning is not just a technology. IT is a new way of solving problems. Soon, machines will diagnose diseases better than doctors, predict disasters before they happen, personalize education for every student, help solve climate and energy problems, and this power will be used by the people who understand it, which could be you. Final call to action: if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI content, and comment below. I'm ready to learn AI. Because the future isn't coming, it's already here.